Let's take one more complex exercise in SolidWorks. See, this is exercise number 224. Now here, first check, note all dimensions in millimeter. All fillets are 0.5. Inside, okay, this is a mistake. Inside fillets are 1 millimeter. And material cast iron 7150 kg per. This is the density of material. Find mass in gram. Now look, let's say this is our one view. I will consider, let's say this is side view. Then there is a section BB. See, this is the back side view. Then this is going to be front view, the view from this side. And at bottom there is a section AA. See, this is section view. And there are three detail view. One detail view from here C. Then detail view E. Where is detail view E? Okay, detail view E for this. There is a hole, tapered hole. Then detail D. Where is detail D? There is also one cross tapered hole. So we will start from back. See this back. This is back side. You will see this is half section. Okay. So this is the half section. So this upper portion, this is the first back plate. Now you will see from front side, this is the back plate. You will see 76 by 60, then corner radius 9. Okay. Then there is a 8 millimeter gap, means you will see these line connected with this, and the thickness for this you will see from here. See, total 8 millimeter thickness, and you will observe this 8 millimeter distance. Now below this, this region is only 5 millimeter. And the region with thread M8, it's 8 millimeter. So let's do this. Thickness 5 millimeter and this all. This is little complicated, we have to focus on. So I am going to start with front plane sketch. Now let me activate here center point rectangle. And here I am going to define the length and width. 60 is the height. Press tab key and the horizontal distance 76, enter. Now here make sure select for construction. Right click, choose select and out. Now again I am going to select circle. Now make this circle 9 radius, means 9 into 2, it's 18 millimeter. Now let me make multiple number of center line. Now select this and this line and make mirror. See, again I am going to select both the circle and horizontal line and simply click mirror entity, and see we have 4 mirror. Okay, let's define the center distance between these mirror. Now first the vertical distance or horizontal distance 52. 42. That's fine. Now activate here 3-point arc. 3-point arc. Fine. Now I'm going to start from here to here. Make sure place like this. Now make important relation. Select this curve and this circle tangent relation. Similarly do this side. And one more relation. Select this outer edge and this curve tangent. Look, it seems fully defined, this sketch. I am going to mirror entity. Let me select this. Make sure selected copy and select vertical line. And you will see the preview. Okay. That's it. Now, okay, let me close this from one end to this end. Right click, exit. Again activate line tool and close from bottom. But here we have to create one more line. Make sure these lines should be vertical. Trim entity, activate power trim and just drag. Okay. Smart dimension. Now this distance given 8 millimeter. Similarly, mirror entity, select this line mirror about reference line or center line. You will see the preview. Say OK. That's it. Now, OK. Let's extrude. Now here we have too many closed geometry, so I am going to select 1, 2, 3, 4 and this inner one. This body, make direction is perfect, blind. Here only apply dimensions, depth 8 millimeter. Say OK. Again select and activate this sketch, extruded boss base. Again you will see selected contour. You have to choose the region because there are too many closed region. So let's move cursor over, click. Similarly this side, and this time the thickness going to be add only 5 millimeter. You will see the preview. Okay, it looks fine. See. Okay, let's make this outer body. Now in section view BB, you will see there is a dotted or what we call a hatch line. These are the inner body, 25 radius, and distance you will see 52 from one end to another end. And what we say, okay, this width 22. And how long we need to extrude? There is a one flange also. You will see this flange thickness 12 millimeter and one side flange 6 millimeter. So total length 56 minus 6. It is going to be 50. Let's say 50 millimeter. 56 minus 6 is 50 millimeter. Okay. You will see the structure. 20. Okay, let's do this. And there is a hole, we will make it later. Let's start with back. Now activate line tool. Exit. Again let me make center line. Construction line. Okay, let's make important relation. Press and hold shift key, select these two line. First relation equal. Then again select this center line and make the second constraint symmetric. Fine. Choose mirror entity. Now let me select these all lines. Mirror about this line. Say OK. Now activate here 3-point arc and let me draw one circle. Let's make a half circle. Now select the center point and this line, make relation coincide. Fine. Smart. Okay, better to make mirror entity. Select this, mirror about this. Okay. Smart dimension. Now this width given 22. Fine. The centered outer distance 52. Fine. The radius shows 20, means fine. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base. Now you have to choose this face. Now look, this is moving wrong direction. So simply reverse and make this one 56 minus 6. 50 millimeter. Say OK. Look. Okay, let's make this 12 millimeter flange. There is a two types. There is a twist, one 6 and another one also 6. Now you will see the arrow. Okay, look, this is the front view of this 9 millimeter. Center to center distance here 94 millimeter. Okay, then there is a hole 76 millimeter. Now there is a catch. You will see at this section view, one side is going to tangent with this, but other side is not going to tangent. Other side is, it seems like this. One side is tangent, one side is seems like this. R15. Okay, and now center to center distance 22 from here to here. Let's do this. And width is 6. Then remember this one, 18 width, thickness 6 millimeter, going in both sides. Okay, let me select this face, sketch. Now let's draw line. Let me activate here circle. Now the circle radius 9 means 9 into 2. Right click, exit. Now select both the lines, line and this one, and directly click mirror entity and its mirror. This is the good thing. Now let me select this line. Exit. Now make sure this line and this origin point in one line. So make relation this one. Now again I am going to select. Okay. First select this curve, convert entity. Line. Now our line going to lies with this. Just move cursor. Once you see tangent relation, just click on that. Again press line in keyboard. Similarly, I am going exit. Okay. First, I am going to define the important dimensions. Press and hold shift key. Select the upper edge and lower edge. Move cursor. Make sure you selected shift key. 94. That's fine. Okay. Let me do one thing. Corner fillet 15. Let me select this. Okay. Smart dimension. Now the circle dimension, let me check, 11 because 22 all. Now this one also going to be 11. That's fine. Let me select this line and okay, this is already tangent. Fine. Let me select, this is not tangent. Make tangent relation. Okay, this line also tangent. Now see, whole drawing is fully defined and tangent. Trim entity, power trim, just press and hold left mouse and drag over line and see it's going to trim. Look, we have a closed geometry. Extrude. Now select all the regions one by one because there is a region due to. Now this is going to be add only 6 millimeter. So the overall length become 56 millimeter. Select this face, press and hold shift key this face, and at bottom you will see normal distance here 56 millimeter. That's it. Now select this face, sketch. Now I am going to activate circle. Now select this outer edge and this circle and make relation cordial. That's it. Activate line tool. Connect from here to here. Exit. Now this line we have to connect. So select this bottom line and this line, make collinear. That's it. Now let's make one horizontal line. Construction line. Now select all the line, simply choose mirror entity and its mirror at bottom. Extrude. Now here depth 6 millimeter we need to keep. We have to choose close profile because there is a too many close profile. So let's say 1, 2, just move cursor over, select, see. Now these whole diameter how much? Let's check side view. Here you will see 8.42 holes. Okay. Then the bottom there is a M8 4 holes. Fine. I am going to use hole wizard. Here first simply hole. ISO standard drill size 8.4. Let's say 8.4. Okay, see here, up to next or throughout no issue. Uncheck position. Now these hole going to make here. So select this face. Just move cursor over And if you keep cursor at edge, you will see center point. So just click on center point. Similarly do for bottom. Right click, choose select and exit. Say OK. Look, the hole is created. Now let's make tapered hole. Now here choose straight tap. ISO standard tapped bottoming hole. Now here I am going to choose M8. Up to next. And here choose with thread callout. I want to see a cosmetic thread here. Choose position. Now I am going to select this face. Okay, let's keep cursor at center point because this is the actual dimension for this. Again keep cursor over edge and you will see center point. Place. Similarly do this side. Right click, exit. Okay. Option, documents property, detailing, and make sure shaded cosmetic thread so that we will see the cosmetic thread here. That's it. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's extrude this portion. You will see here 18, 33, and this one also going to be 18. Now for this portion, let's say at bottom. Okay, overall 118. Rest we will minus. Now this corner 28, no 28 this one. And this corner how much given? 18. Okay, fine. 22 center one. 28 this one. Fine. Okay, these two are same, collinear. So, and at bottom you will see there is a one detail view. See, this diameter 27 and width 2.5, corner radius are 0.5. But there is a catch. Okay, this lies at this point. So this is exactly half of from center one. So I am going to keep 11 millimeter. First, let me choose right plane. Plane. Now here right plane selected. Here distance. Let's say 11 millimeter. You will see the plane moving wrong direction. So here choose flip offset. See. Okay. Now select the plane, sketch. Fine. Now again I am going to select line. Start from here. Just zoom. Don't create any relation, otherwise it's going to be. Make sure this edge is the outer edge and connect. Close profile, but I don't want to make close, make this one construction line. That's it. And also these line at center. So select this origin point and this line make coincide. Fine. Overall length 118. So select from outside to outside 118. Okay, let's make the dimension. Diameter. If you move cursor below the line, it's become diameter, above radius. That's why I choose this one construction line. So let's do with this 18. Similarly for this, and this is going to be 28. And this one is going to be 22. Okay, there is some, make it inside. And make little down. Now inside radius 27. Okay, now select this line, press this line, collinear. That's it. Again width. Now this is going to be, let's say, 18. Now distance from here to this edge, this is selected 33. That's fine. Now this edge only 18. And this one 2.5 in detail view mention. Look, drawing seems fully defined. Simply go to exit and here choose revolve boss base. Now due to this construction line, this profile is open. So system asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Look, by default system took this center line as the axis of revolution and make a solid body, 360 solid body. See, angle already mentioned here. Direction no need to change any, it's not issue. I am going to as it is. Make sure merge so that this body going to merge with this. If you uncheck this one, there will be two bodies. Hide. See? Okay. Let's make a hole at back side. Now look, this is the back view. Now you will see 30, 42 and 12 millimeter. Okay, how long we need depth for this? You will see here 33 millimeter from back side. Then there is one more hole, 12 diameter up to this hole, and this hole position you will see here, just 11 millimeter from center. So select back surface, sketch. Now again I am going to activate line tool. Okay, let's draw one this line. Exit, again press L key and exit. Now let's make these two lines construction line. Press and hold shift key and select these two lines. First equal. Again press shift key, select this line. Symmetric. Choose mirror. Select this all line and this line mirror. Again 3-point arc. I am going to select this line, this point, this point. Okay, select this line and this point coincide. Mirror. This one, make sure copy, mirror this line. Smart dimension. Now according to dimension, this distance 12 millimeter only. Now center to center distance is given 30, no, it's 42 millimeter. And the radius, this is gone, diameter shows 30, means radius 15 millimeter. That's it. Extruded cut. Select this. Let's and make depth inside 33. See, arrow moving inside. That's it. Okay. That's it. Now select this face, sketch, circle. Now this whole diameter it's given 12. Enter. Smart dimension and distance from here to this center it's 22 divided by 2, it's 11. It's still drawing not defined, so make sure make constraint. Select these 2 points, horizontal. Extruded cut. And how long we need to cut? Simply here choose next. Next means this internal hole. Look. Okay, let's make the hole at this point. There is also hole. Just note down these all dimensions. 22 2 tapered, then this one is 16, 40 millimeter long tapered. This is also going to be 12 millimeter, 16 millimeter for this, 2 millimeter. Fine. Gap 2 millimeter, 2 millimeter. That's it. Now I am going to choose the plane one sketch. Simply choose line, now go up to here, go upside, come downside, again continue, and connect with this. Okay, let's specify all the dimensions and everything. First, diameter. Now this diameter given 12 millimeter. This diameter, center diameter given 16 millimeter. This end diameter also 16 millimeter. Okay. Now this is also going to be 12 millimeter. Okay. Now let's define the length. Now this length 22. Select this length. 2 millimeter. That's fine. Let's make this length also 2 millimeter. And the overall length 40 millimeter. Fine. 2 millimeter, and these inner depth also 2 millimeter. That's fine. And these line going to be 118. Let's make the overall length 118 minus 33, because this is going to connect with internal. Just check preview. Look, this is going to connect with internal hole. You will see dotted line, these are the internal holes. So simply go for it. Now here cut, revolve cut. Now this is open profile just because this center line, so say yes. Now look, by default system took this center line as the axis of revolution and is going to cut 360 degree, because here by default 360 degree angle. If you make 180, look, this is going to cut only half, but we need complete 360 hole. Direction any you can keep, that's it. Now let's plane one section view. Okay, now look the view. Now what else balance? Now you will see there is a two hole. Now look, this is the front hole, 5 millimeter from here, center distance 42. Okay, then back side, you will see from back side there is an inside hole, center distance 34, and this is lies at center line. So we have to use some lofted cut feature to cut this hole. Now for this whole detail you have to see there is a section E. You will see the line, this section E, this is the line. See this hole at tapered hole, see 15 point some degree. We will follow this some other method. There is a two hole, 8 diameter. Select this face, sketch. Now activate circle. Let's make 8. Right click, exit. Now smart dimension. Now let's define this center distance 5 and distance from here 42 divided by 2. That's it. Exit. Now let's choose this inside hole. Face sketch. Now let's make a hole. Now hole diameter 8, enter. First make sure this hole at center line, and center distance given 34. So 34 divided by 2, 17 millimeters. See? Okay. Exit. Now do one thing. Let's create (3D) sketch. Activate here line, and I'm going to connect. See, the hole is visible. Make sure center point to center point. Exit. This is the path for this. So it makes our process easy. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult for with node method. Now, go to activate here lofted cut feature. First, we have to choose profile. So I am going to select these two profile. Now look, due to this node, the angle, the shape going to be differ. So that's why I am going to use center line parameter. See, center line is selected. You don't need to define any more or anything. Just simply everything keep as it is. Merge tangent faces. Say OK. And this is trimmed. Let's check some section view and okay. Look how it looks like. You will observe here somewhere. See, you will observe here. Now just simply mirror this one. So I am going to choose top plane because top plane is the mid plane. Mirror. Top plane selected, feature, directly choose this hole. You will see the preview. Say OK. See, the hole is created. Okay, let's make hole here. You will see there is a hole. Detail D. Where is detail D? This is going to be detail D. 3 diameter hole. There is a countersink diameter 4. Distance from here to here 10. You will see. And there is a one key slot. You will see here. 6, 14, 2. And this hole up to inside hole. You will see here. So let's do this. Let's make a keyhole here. So I'm going to choose right plane, not right plane, the plane 1, because this is the center one. Sketch. I'm going to create one, let's say, plane. The vertical length 10. This is for reference. This is fully defined sketch. Exit. Now go to hole wizard. Here I am going to choose hole, ISO standard, drill size, and this is going to be 3 millimeter. Up to next, but here I am going to choose near side counter, and this outer diameter shows 4 millimeter. Position. Now select this face. Now see. Now place any part of this body. Exit. And do one thing. Just select the point, end point of this line. Hold center point of this. Make relation merge. Coincide. This is fully defined sketch. Say OK. And here we created a hole. Now just click on the line and hide this. Now here we need to create one, again plane 1, sketch, center point is straight slot, or let's say straight slot. Exit. Now first make dimension. 6 millimeter is the width. Press and hold shift key, select outer side. Outside to outside. This outside to outside, it's 14 millimeter. Again, press and hold shift key, select this outside to this 2 millimeter. It seems fully defined sketch. Choose extruded cut. Now let's check how we are going to. I am going to use start offset. Let's say this diameter, let's say 12 millimeter. Now let's make 15 millimeter. Okay, because now see this plane sketch on this plane, but we are going to start 15 millimeter away. So see this start point of arrow, this is the 15 millimeter from here to here. So sketch going to start cutting from this face and going inside up to next means inside body. You will see. Now inside fillets are 1, rest all fillets are 1 millimeter. Now see all body have 1 millimeter outer fillet. Here only 0.5 and the inside one 1 millimeter. So 0.5. First fillet type, here 0.5 and simply choose this inside face. Now this is going to be smaller one. Okay, 0.5. Okay, let me select this vertical lines. Select all vertical lines. So what your process become easy. First I am going to select all vertical lines. Similarly do for run. Okay, delete this one, otherwise it creates problem. Delete. By default we selected face, choose only line. Okay. Again fillet. This time I am going to select this line. See, this edge, bottom line also, this upper line. Okay, but vertical line also we need to choose separately. We forget to add some more vertical lines here. So I'm going to again one vertical lines always important. Edit feature, and here I don't know how we forget this line. Okay. Now again let me select fillet, edit sketch fillet 1, fillet 2. Let's check this. See, we forget this one, that's why this is going to be happen like this. If anything you will miss, you will okay, let's create new fillet. Okay, this side all done. Okay, this one creating problem, delete this. Okay, this line we will create later. Select inside, here also select inside edge. Almost done. Again activate. Now let's try again. Now it's fine. Sometime it's fillet. Now this time 1 millimeter. Now select all the inside edges. Okay, let's rotate. Fine. Again fillet. See outer edge. Let's choose inner one. Inner one is not going to select, so delete and select this edge first. Even not. Okay. First outer one. Fine. Again. Now again I am going to select this. Now see, there is a problem. This is not going to be happened. So what we will do, clear, and here uncheck tangent propagation, means these line curves are not going to tangent with this. Now once you uncheck this box, now let me select this. See, this is going to select. You will see here. Delete. Okay, let me do one thing. See, this is going to happen like this. If I am going to check this inside one, okay, that's also done. Okay, that's done. Say okay. See, due to this hole, we did almost. Okay, now let's apply material. Edit material. Cast iron. Fine. Gray cast iron. Now look, I want to make density 7150, but here we can even make customize, but I am going with this. Apply, close. Now appearance, if you want to change, just simply go to appearance, double click on this and the appearance change. Now if you want to add edit appearance, and from here you can apply any color or any something, whatever. I am going to little change this color. Oh, this looks better. Okay, now for review, let's say for cutout, you can make some changes. For proper appearance, this is just for appearance. Aluminium, chrome platinum. Double click and see, these are going to be chrome platinum. If I am going to see right plane section view, okay, see the view is like this. Plane 1 section view, okay, top plane section view, see there is a 2 hole, top plane normal, you will see this 12 millimeter, these are the holes. If you see, this is the our drawing. Uncheck section view. Now go to evaluate mask properties. Okay, option, okay, use we will use the same gram. Now look, mass 918, this is the our approximate mass 918.331. See the density, it's going to be like we selected 72. You can print it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.